Check out this 2011 Nissan Quest. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.